Yo. Ew. Body, 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 body. Wait. I am going to have to like.
These are the tires.
Okay.
They're
Perfect.
matching.
Yeah, they are.
But you know what? So the other tire,
Uh-huh.
I can see I gave you the different, the wrong size.
Who?
Because the ones back here were a little bit,
Wider?
yeah, than that.
Okay.
And like that wouldn't fit on those rims because they're not wide enough. So this is a 255.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's gonna be, you're gonna be good. It's just that 245 was gonna be too skinny for your waist.
Okay, well, thank you for letting me know that, because I...
Yeah, you know.
Yo, I have to tell y'all this shit before I post it, because I was getting ready to post a motherfucking picture. Tell me why. Okay, I'm over here getting like another fucking tire real quick. And the nigga who pulled the fucking... The nigga who pulled the motherfucking tire out of my trunk did this. Like, seriously. Like, okay, well, fuck it. It's no point of hiding it, honey. It ain't no point of hiding it, sis. Honey, we all do it. Everyone fucks, you know. That's how you guys are here. That's how I'm here. That's how your mom's here. That's how everyone's here. I can't hide it. The shit is already out. I mean, like, look. They got my motherfucking lingerie, girl, not the lingerie, girl. Why y'all got the lingerie on the floor, sis? No, ma'am. Girl, put that lingerie, girl, back up in there. No, ma'am, girl. Why y'all got the lingerie out, bitch? Girl, why y'all got the lingerie? Girl, why y'all got the lingerie out, bitch? Oh, no, honey. But guess what? I got these two tires for $60, so girl, tip. You better, honey, go. Girl, for real, bitch. They got all my shit. Girl, look. Let me show you. Girl, they got the girls' pieces, girl. They got the girls' furs, bitch. Girl, what y'all got going on, sis? Y'all got the lingerie, girl. What y'all doing with the lingerie? So, why y'all got the BDSM boots out, girl? Why y'all got the BDSM boots out? Mm. Girl. They trying to get her, girl. They trying to get the girl. Don't get me together. Girl, come on, body. Why is that all in my trunk, bitch? Cause I'm a dominatrix, girl. When I fuck, honey, I like to have a good time, girl. I like to play, girl. I like to play up in it, bitch. I like to role play. Bitch, you need to keep a whole trunk. Girl, keep a whole trunk. Girl, keep it. Girl, keep the whole trunk. It's just hot out. Oh, girl, my tuck. Girl, honey, this tuck. Girl, this tuck is beast, bitch. Oh, honey, this tuck is legendary.